look at this in front of me. Looks like a painting. Yo, what's up guys? We're back at it. Right now we have made it to Joshua Tree National Park in California. Now this is from the northeast entrance. I'm going to head through all the way to the northwest entrance. First we're going to head to Skull Rock, see what that's all about. I'll see you in a minute. Let's ride. Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to Joshua Tree, J-Tree National Park, California. Heading to some rock formation called Skull Rock. J-Tree? I wonder why they call it Joshua Tree. Who is this Joshua? Oh, you like that? This is Z900 RS Cafe, the Kawasaki. This thing rips it and rocks it. Let me shift down, you can listen. Ready? Ooh, this thing's got that quick shifter, even though it doesn't. You are the quick shifter. This is a nice park though. Look at these rocks. Look at these Joshua rocks. Ooh, you heard that? You heard that? I felt it. Oh, those are Joshua trees. Now we're in the J trees. Look at these trees. Joshua indeed. It's funny, they're like little cacti. They look like little cacti that are fuzzy. Alright, it all makes sense now. I gotta look into the meaning of it all though. Ow. They're like fuzzy cacti. Weird fuzzy cacti. I need to get some picture with some of these trees. Alright, we're almost at this Skull Rock. Let's see how scully it can be. Molder and scully. Whoa, look at this one here. It's a crazy looking one. Whoa, this one's weird as fuck. To get this one here. Coming up on that Skull Rock pretty soon. Very scully. Feel it. Oh, scully indeed. No, maybe I'll go on height, but I'll go on a tiny one. Oh goodness. Just a quick one. Oh, this place is full of rocks. That's neat. These old knees can't do hiking. They barely do riding. Oh goodness. Yikes. Crystal skull, that's alright. I'm not in the mood for hiking and getting all sweaty, alright? I don't mind looking at it. I did all of a 2-minute hike, which is just about my limit. Interesting park. I wonder what makes these trees so Joshua. Like, what is the water doing to them? It's like a mixture of, like, they started off life as wanting to be a tree, and they didn't have enough water, and they said, let me be a cacti. Let me be a cactuses. Maybe. Oh, we are in the forest of forestification. Joshua Forest of Forestification. Nice. This is called Park Boulevard. It's the scenic. Whoa! Look on the left. Scenic indeed. If you're catching any of that big mamacita on the left there. Oh, you got some cool rocks. Freaking J-Tree's got weird rocks. Give him that much. My boy in front of me is really impinging on the speed run, if you will. Catching these rocks. Some weird looking ones. It looks cool with the shadows from the sun. Gives it a different element. Whoa, rocks are us again. Hidden Valley. Whoa, shiza, look at this thing. That is crazy. Looks like it's made out of like rolls of putty stuck together, like clay. The Divine Potter. He's made some interesting rock formations out here, indeed. This could be a fun place to ride if there's no cars. You could just rip it. This country's got some crazy variations in landscapes, so I'll give you that much. So many different places fused together. It's an amalgamation, if you will, of different landscapes. I've seen a whole bunch of different stuff on this road trip. Freaking bayous in the south, Louisiana. Freaking beautiful mountain hill climbs in New Mexico. Deserts in Arizona, cacti. We got a whole bunch of weird rocks here in California. Bad drivers everywhere. This is a nice place. This place is cool. It's like I'm on another planet. A bunch of clay balls stacked on top of each other. How the hell does this make sense? I don't get it. So do these rocks... It's not like with a mountain where it's like the tectonic plates collide and then you get a mountain. It's like these ones are placed on top of each other. This one right, it's like a giant stegosaurus. How is that possible? How are any of these possible? Ah, bumpy. Bumpy roads. Ah, cock. This road sucks. Look at this in front of me. It's like a painting. It's like one of those magic eye books. Whoa. 3, 2, 1, engage. What am I looking at? It looks like the freaking ocean is in front of me. It's kind of scary. Remember that movie Deep Impact? Or was it, I don't know what it was called. The one where the giant mile-high wave crashes upon the west coast. Look at that. That's what it looks like. It's coming right at me. Oh, get that knee out. Too bad the road sucks and this guy in front of me sucks. We have made it. Alright, J-Tree. Been a pleasure. Too bad about all the traffic. Bye-bye, J-Tree. So long. Dude, that's not a cloud. That's a mountain in front of me. You see this giant thing? No way. What the fuck?